see on the top right side. Click on the 3 lines there and come to the bottom. And click on Engaged Hits, and as soon as you click on Engaged Hits, 2 options will show in front of you. Among them, click on Earn Money. As soon as you click on Earn Money, the page like this will appear in front of you. To see such videos, subscribe the channel and never forget to press the bell notification because I keep making such videos for you. Click on 3 lines and come down to the end. And click on Engaged Hits at the bottom. As soon as you click, 2 options will be shown in front of you. Click on Earn Money from these options. As soon as you click on Earn Money, such a page will open in front of you and it is written here. Please enter the code from your Google Authenticator. Click here if you do not have it. Now you click on Click Here. When you click on it, then another such visible page will open in front of you. As you watch on computer screen, as you can see my second mobile on the other side, there I have installed Google Authenticator on it. If you do not have Google Authenticator, then you also install it and open it by creating an account on it. Now as soon as I open Google Authenticator, so at the bottom the word is written Get Started, so when I click on Get Started, and as soon as, such a page will appear in front of you. Among them, click on the Scan QR code. As you will click on it, the camera turn on. So you brought it on top of the mobile where it is written Please scan QR code, and stay for few seconds on it. It will show a code. Whatever code will show you this after a few seconds. Go to the back as I click back button and go back, entered the code which shown on mobile. As soon as I went to the back page and I entered the code and clicked on OK, and there was a small message displayed, I am not robot. Now as soon as I clicked on the I am not robot, there was a correct mark on it, which meant that I do right way. After a short while, the video started searching on mobile.youtube.com. Now you have to do one thing here. Go top right side and click on 3 dots and convert your mobile to desktop site. As soon as your mobile is converted to desktop site, then your video will searching on desktop site mode. And after the necessary process, the video will be ready to play in front of you. Now click on the play button in the middle of the video and the video will start playing in front of you. Now the timer will also show running time. And as you can see that the video is playing and its time is also running and decrease time from total time of the playing video. Now here your videos will play turn by turn. Like first your video will play 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6 will play, and slowly 20 videos will be played. And then a break will come, 20 videos play within 3 to 4 hours. After playing 20 videos, the break comes, and this cycle continues after every 24 hours and hence repeats again. You can also check the video that how many videos have been played and how many videos are left. Like I went back page by clicking on the back button and clicked on Earn, then clicked on the content, clicked on the Engage and go a little down and see here, you will see some videos pending. As I am showing you by making a red rectangle, see here how many videos have played is visible in pending position. As you see, $0.065 is visible in pending. So this was today's video. Subscribe the channel and like the video. Have a nice day.